Hello everybody and thank you very much for watching. In this video we'll try Microsoft xCloud game streaming service on my DeX setup. My DeX setup includes 34 inches Samsung ultra wide monitor running at 3440 by 1440 pixels, so it's the highest pixels or the resolution that DeX supports at this moment, and everything will be powered by my Galaxy Tab S6, which you can see a corner just on the left hand side of this video, a corner of Galaxy Tab S6 there. And I will be using Xbox One Bluetooth controller to control the games. Before we start, I would like to give a big shout out to Ishplace, and without his help I probably will still be waiting for my xCloud beta program activation email. He helped me to get a coupon code to jump the queue and get my xCloud account activated much faster instead of me waiting for an email from Microsoft. So big shout out to Ishplace. I'll leave a link to his YouTube channel in the description below. Please go and check it out. Click a like, subscribe. Right, so what we're gonna do now, we're gonna start the app called Streaming. And Streaming is basically the xCloud Android client. So right now it's starting, as you can see, Xbox logo, and I am using the controller so I can go through the games. So as you can see, it is a bunch of the games for me to choose from, and I can play any of this game free of charge on xCloud at the moment while it's in beta, so I can play free of charge. If I go all the way to the top, there's a list of the some games I already tried to play. So Darksiders 3, Borderlands 2, Forza Horizon 4 and Tomb Raider. What we're gonna do, we're gonna start from Forza 4 Horizon. So Forza Horizon 4, so we're gonna try this. So I'm just pressing A, then I need to navigate to a play button at the top, press A again, and the game is about to start. So while it's loading, I'm gonna take this opportunity to sip on my coffee, because I need coffee. Fatherhood is a mission. So yeah, I had my son had a bit of a bad sleep last night, so pretty much was awake nearly all night. So right now it's just me trying to get awakened and obviously record this video for you. Right, you will possibly hear narration happening, and it's just sometimes turns on and off, and I'll tell you what I mean by that. So come on. Okay, start. Basically what I mean by voiceover narrating is just sometimes it starts in and it's one of these like robot voices start telling you what's happening on a screen. Let's say I'm driving and I'm completed a couple of runs and I got achievement, and it's just telling me, oh, you got achievement because this, text and that. Anyway, stop yapping. So I have Audi TT, and let's go for a little race. So I'm using Xbox Bluetooth controller, and we're gonna go right now into the race. The quality of the stream, okay-ish. I personally, I don't know how far away it's from reality. I mean, if you had this god, oh, okay, I lost it. Okay, let's go back to, let's back on the road. Sorry. So let's go back on the road. So yeah, streaming quality is great, but like I said, I never played Forza Horizon 4 on a physical computer. It was only streaming. Forza Horizon 4 demo I tried on Shadow Cloud gaming service, and now obviously playing a full version of Forza Horizon 4 on this xCloud service. Sorry, let's go. So we're gonna go and try to do a race. I'm probably not gonna go through all the race. I'm just gonna start and probably gonna do a lap or maybe first couple of 100 yards, because I want to try a couple of more games on xCloud. Okay. And what is this? Oh yes, there is a mission where I need to be a stunt driver. Stunt driver chapter 1.
Here they are. You just start the silver screen.
Hardly the doppelganger you promised.
You having a laugh? They're like twins.
You'll do. Mike Steele, by the way. Today's shoot's a getaway scene.
Okay.
Head over to Broadway Village. We've got everything set up there. It better be as good as you say.
So right now stunt. And I'm gonna drive Bugatti.
Right, off to Broadway. Let's step on it, yeah? We don't
Okay, we're gonna drive Bugatti. Let's go. So streaming quality, again, perfect. Controller responsiveness, great. There is sometimes happening noticeable lag, latency, and I am very, very, very bad driver. Okay, let's go back on the track. Okay, let's go here. Let's go. So yes, the quality, I mean, I don't have anything else to say. It is great. It is great. Obviously right now my Galaxy, the DeX station, I missed the corner. My DeX station is currently connected via Ethernet cable. So it's okay. Anyway, I'm not gonna go all the way. So yeah, quality, great, no problems at all. So if I go top there, I can shut the app completely. Or if we're gonna go to top left, I have an option to quit the game, give them a rating. So I'm gonna say, yeah, everything was fine. I have no problems with that. And now I'm back to the game picker list. So we're gonna go and right now try the game, which is Tomb Raider. So Shadow of Tomb Raider. So again, it's starting. It needs to wait for virtual VM or something to kick in. So it's not instantaneously jumping into the game, but it is pretty good. It just, you need to wait for like 10 seconds or so. Probably it's going to take longer for you to start your Xbox, sit down, get the controller connected, find the game and run the game. I think it's pretty much not, well, I'm not complaining. It's brilliant. It's brilliant. Waiting is not that bad. If you compare to a Vortex cloud gaming service or vortex.gg, if you watch my previous videos, believe me, Vortex is probably the worst game streaming service you can right now find. So I got the message saying starting narrator. Anyway, Tomb Raider, Shadow of Tomb Raider starting. If you watch my previous videos, you will know that the black bars either side. Shadow Cloud Gaming Service does that, NVIDIA GeForce Now does that, and xCloud does that as well. So there's no escape from that. There you go. So we're in Tomb Raider. So I'm gonna press start. I played this game quite a lot yesterday. So we're just gonna jump into where I finished, into my save file. So we're just gonna say continue. 1.79% of the game completed. And while I was playing this yesterday on the actual tablet, not connected to a DeX, but running on the tablet with this controller, and game quality was perfect. So let's wait. Waiting game, waiting game. Coffee, coffee, coffee. I need coffee. Okay. Okay, I'm loading a bit longer than expected, but that's fine. I never played Tomb Raider, Shadow of Tomb Raider on Xbox, so I can't really say that if it's good or bad, because I can't compare. But, right, so we are in the game, and it's not bad.
This cave looks like it's usually underwater.
Okay. Let's go. Oh, what's this? Okay, got some experience. Right.
The carvings on this Maya monolith are far too deteriorated to read.
Okay, so playing Shadow of Tomb Raider on xCloud, and I'm streaming this to my DeX. Okay. So should I go here? Okay, that was
Should have seen that coming.
right. We'll go here. Yes. Rats. Fantastic. A lot of rats.
What is this place? Maybe there's something underwater.
Okay, that's interesting. One here. All right, let's pick this one up. So pretty much I can play this game for hours now. When I started, I can't stop. And xCloud, Microsoft Cloud Gaming Service, running on DeX. And I mean, like, I can see a slight delay, but come on, it's obviously will depend on your broadband speed, on your internet speed. It's not xCloud's fault. They're pushing as much as they can data towards your device, but it's all depending on your internet service provider, how much data they're allowing you to receive, and that's it. That's how it is. So I do recommend this, definitely. I do recommend. And xCloud, Microsoft Cloud Gaming Service on my DeX. So let's quit this. That was amazing. And by the way, this is a list of all the games I can play. I can play Halo Wars 2, Hellblade, Halo 5, Gears of War. I can play Just Cause 4. I mean, Sniper Elite, Taken 7, Vampires, World Rally Championship, World War Z. This is an interesting game for me to try. What else? Like Tomb Raider is already like a 10,000 points gets from me. Gears 5, I can play Gears 5. I'm probably going to start playing that one. But amazing. And all this I can play for free at this moment while the xCloud is in beta program. And to be honest, I am thinking into actually getting the membership on xCloud when it's going to go live, when it's going to be released, because it's amazing. It's amazing. I'm quite happy the way it works. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and let me know in the comment section below what you think about this. Once again, big shout out to ishplays. I'll leave a link to his YouTube channel in the description below for you to go and check it out, and I'll see you next one. Goodbye.